I'm Scott. I'm the owner of SouthWest Window Cleaning,
And I'm Chris.
and we're a father and son team.
That's right.
Chris came to me last summer and he says, hey, Dad, what would it take to get the window cleaning company going again?
I had seen what he had built before and just the stages of life that we were in. I thought it was a good idea, and we're in our second season now, and it's doing fantastic. And he loves the father-son dynamic, and I do too, and I think it's pretty cool to be in business together.
Yeah. We specialize in residential window cleaning. People are almost in disbelief how clean the windows are.
I finished a really big house last week, and the lady said to me, Chris, I've had my windows cleaned for years, but I've never seen them this clean.
It was really a relaunch. I knew that I needed help this time around, and so I Googled it, and I came across Business Link. When I saw they had all these programs, I signed up for the Business Launch program, and the Peerpreneurs program was great as well, just to see other entrepreneurs in the same struggles and to have support that way. The digital marketing program, it's helped us with our website and what we need to do, and it's also helping us figure out how to get our reviews online as well. It's one-on-one, and that's fantastic. It's almost like you're having a private mentor. Business Link has been a big help in helping me relaunch our business.